that is frequency penalty. What is this frequency penalty? The frequency penalty discourages the model from repeating the same words too often within a response. Range 0 to 2, higher values reduce the word repetition. So let's check. What is a frequency penalty means? Here, the output sometimes contains some words are repetitive, like artificial intelligence can return by 2 or 3 times at wherever required in the output. Okay, there is nothing wrong in that. Okay, there is no need to change the frequency penalty and the presence penalty. But if you are looking to uh, change your output according to your requirements, okay, like not repeating the same word again and again, in some applications you need to do that. Okay, you can change here the higher value. The if you put this higher value, the repetition, okay, if you put the higher value, the repetition of words will be reduced. Okay, I hope you understand. So I recommended not to do this because sometimes the word anything like the or some grammatical mistake, this that also called a word. Okay, if you put this frequency penalty value to the higher level, the output intent or the grammatical or sentence formation of output can be changed, which can disturb the whole output. Okay, for that I recommended never use the frequency penalty. If your output is generating the repetitive information, then you can use this according to your requirement by changing the whole this frequency penalty parameter. So let's see another parameter we have, that is presence penalty. Presence penalty means it will encourages the model to introduce no concepts that haven't been mentioned in the text yet. Like for example, presence penalty. Presence means if it will introduce some more new concepts. Concepts means if you doesn't provided the particular um, information or concept in the system message to do that. So if user ask the question that is not related to your task, so if you put this, it is a zero now. If you put this, if the user question is not related to the system message, so then the AI will generate the answer for that question. That is a presence penalty. But we do not need that. Okay, we are doing for the specific one. We are building the application for the specific one here. For that, we do not increase this presence penalty. Okay, if you are building the AI application like ChatGPT have, which can solve anything, which can generate anything based on user requirement, then you can choose presence penalty as your requirements. Okay, you can see here. You first just click here. It will show the information of what is the presence penalty is about. So that is okay. So okay, let's see how the stop sequence works. These parameters we are used to stop the output for a particular time. For example, if you take, I take some simple query, that is generate 3 productivity tips as a prompt here. So it will generate some 3 productivity tips here. You can see here. So if I want to AI to stop at second tips only, I do not like to generate third one. For that, what I can tell AI, instead of writing here, I will just write here to AI to stop the output at third point only. For that, I will write here third one. So what if it happens? It will never generate the third productivity tip. Let's see example here again. So you can see it will generate only 2 productivity tips, even if I ask to AI to generate 3 productivity tips. Okay, that is all about stop sequence. Okay, if I take here number 2, okay, add 2, so it will generate only 1 productivity tip, right? You can see here, that is one. That is all about stop sequence, in which we are going to tell AI to stop at the specific point. That is all about this all the parameters of uh, OpenAI to get the more deeper on these parameters, you can experiment with this playground by writing the prompts, by checking the output, by analyzing it, all those things. Okay, this is all about the prompt parameters we have.